morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yesterday we have learned a new number. Which number did we learn? Yes, the number 5. Now let's do the counting. You all have to do with me. Show me your hand like this. Yes, now close it. And now start the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers are there in our hand? 5 fingers. Now let's do the recap of number 5 through some flashcards.
Now, in this flashcard, we have to count how many kids are sitting there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 kids. In this flashcard, how many chicks are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 chicks.
Now we will do the revision of number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 through an activity.
Now let's start the activity. In this activity, here some numbers are written in these circles and some numbers are written in these circles which are kept in this bowl. We have to pick it one by one, identify which number is this and to keep it on that number. Which number is this? 1. Next, which number is this? 2. Where is 2? Here it is. Let's keep it here. Which number is this? 4. Where is 4 number written? Yes. Here we will keep it. Which number is this? Number 3. Where is number 3 written? Yes, so we will keep it here. Which number is this? 1. So we will keep it here. Which number is this? Number 2. Where is number 2 written? Here, so we will keep it here. Which number is this? 5. So we will keep the number 5 here. Which number is this? 1. Where is 1 written? Here. So we will keep the number 1. Which number is this? 2. Yes, so we will keep the number 2 here. This is number 2. Where is number 2 written? Yes, so we will keep the number 2 here. 4 number. Where is 4? Yes, very good children. Which number is this? 5. Yes, we will keep the number 5 here. Which number is this? 1. Which number is this? 3. So we will keep the 3 number here. Very good, children. Clap for yourself.
The activity was fun? Yes. Now let's solve the worksheet.
This is how you have to color the picture of hand. I hope you all have done in this way.
I hope you all enjoyed today's session. Thank you, kids. Bye. Have a nice day.